በዛሬው ቀን ግሪኒች በሚገኘው በሮያል ኦብዘርቫቶሪ ተገኝቼ የፀሐይ ግዞሽን ለማየት ከብዙ ባለ ትልቅ መሳሪያ ፎቶ ባፋንሾች ጋር ተሰልፌያለሁ። ማዕከሉ የሚካሄደው ከጠዋቱ 8 ሰዓት ተኩል ወይም በዚህ ሀገር አቆጣጠር 8 ሰዓት ተኩል በእኛ በኢትዮጵያ አቆጣጠር 2 ሰዓት ተኩል ጀምሮ ነው ተብሏል።
David Redfern.
Yeah, from Flamsteed. Why are you here today, here this morning?
I'm here as a member of the Flamsteed Astronomy Society just to help out with the crowds and to try and be a kind of ambassador to the eclipse.
Wonderful. So I've met the right person. So what is happening this morning then? What are we expecting?
Well, we're going, hopefully, if the cloud clears, we're going to see a partial eclipse. And a partial eclipse is partial eclipse of the sun. Is when you have the sun here, you have the earth here, and the moon comes in between.
How often these incidents happen?
In this country, the last solar eclipse was 1999, so that's 16 years. But they occur around the world, around the globe, quite often.
So, which parts of the world are now affected by today's situation?
A large part of the northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, won't see a thing. And of course, if you're on the night side of the planet, you won't see anything either.
Can I have your name, just for the record?
It's Mary Claire.
Good one. Why are you here today?
I'm hoping to get some kind of glimpse or atmosphere of the eclipse, but at the moment the sky's overcast, so I'm not quite sure.
Yeah. So how much do you know about what is happening actually? So have you read about it, or
I have read a little bit. I think I know the basics, and that it's about the combination of the spring equinox and the new moon. So it's like a fantastic opportunity because it's the two of them coming together. So yeah, with the solar eclipse.
Or do you remember anything? They say it was in 1999, was it?
I think I was in my garden and I think we saw it all. We had a barbecue in the morning. We had friends over and had a sort of breakfast barbecue. So I think that was the one I'm remembering.
Wonderful. Thank you. All the best.
You're welcome.
Good morning. Hello? Young man, why are you this morning?
There was a tiny chance we might be able to see something, and he really likes programs about space on television.
So you want the child to be part of history?
Well, I went to see the last eclipse actually. I went to Paris to see it, so I quite like eclipses as well. But I don't think it's going to be the same experience this time actually. Really great. You got I don't remember all the technical vocabulary, but before the eclipse happens, if you're sitting underneath a tree, you get lots of semicircular shadows appearing on the ground underneath the tree. And then when the eclipse is actually happening, we were lucky enough to have the viewing goggles. You get to see the ring and everything else. And then of course you get those wonderful lines rushing across the landscape really fast, sort of waves. There's strata, and they happen when the eclipse is taking place. Yeah, very quickly. Yeah, it's amazing, and it's sort of a really strong breeze.
Amazing. You remember? It's vivid.
It was
in the
very good.
experience.
I was at Chantilly Racecourse actually, which was a fantastic place to view it from, and lots of people turned out.
Let's hope we can experience something today.
Yeah, well, anyway, at least it's a nice, interesting thing to do in the morning, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Yes. Can I have your name for my record?
Okay.
If you don't mind.
I'm Paula Wilson. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's like some kind of projection. Yeah, oh, absolutely, yes. All these telescopes will not be showing you the sun directly in the sense that without a filtering system, absolutely.
Will there be anything given that the weather?
The weather's not favourable, I'm afraid.
No,
the reality is the weather's not favourable.
What I'm saying is we'd be better off out here seeing or being in there.
Inside we're not going to see anything, are we? We have to be out here to see the eclipse.
Yes.
We have to be outside.
Right.
I mean, there will be the normal planetarium shows and the normal thing going on, but to see the eclipse you have to be outside.
Let's see.
There's not a lot to look at, I'm afraid. You're welcome to look through it. It looks black, you know.
We don't see nothing.
Yeah, you won't see nothing because of the filter on there.
Oh, right.
That's the reason, because of the cloud. You know, so it's been a bit of a shame.
Sunspots usually come out in pairs because they're magnetic field. So they normally come out in pairs, side by side. So the magnetic flux comes actually out of the end, like a car magnet. Yeah.
Can you see the shape? Do you want to do that? There, let's do it on the
So that's the sun pretty much right now.
Yeah.
If I go to my app, it will be slightly different. So go to the app, it'll be slightly, this is Sky Guide. Let's go live now. I'm going live to the studio. There we are. Now the sun is out, if I take that off and go, there's the real sun.
I think students are now going back to school.
This train is for Bank. The next stop is Terran Keys. Change for London Underground, Jubilee Line. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.